Now we are seeing groundnut crop. These are the pods that are raised from the pegs. We can see now the pods are being developed, and this is somewhat matured pod, and these are all the pods that are being developed from the pegs. See, the pegs are arising from the ovaries, means here the flower will come. We can see the flower here, the flower will come, and after fertilization the ovary will begin to develop into the soil. These are the pegs which are developed from the ovary, and the pegs at the tip, it will develop a small pod. Later these small pods will become like this big pods. Okay, and these are the nodules that has been developed from the groundnut root system. See, these are all the knots. See, these are the nodes which will fix atmospheric nitrogen. See, these are the nodes. Okay, please like and subscribe. These are the nodes. We can see the nodes on the taproot system. See, these are the nodes. When we press the nodes, it will be in pink color due to leg hemoglobin. See, if we press the nodes, these are the nodes. Okay, and this is the groundnut crop, overall groundnut crop.